Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making scallion waffles. Yes, that's right. Waffles don't always have to be sweet. These are going to be savory and we're going to be putting green onions in them. We're going to put a little bit of chili in them, butter, flour, soy sauce instead of salt, baking powder, and we're going to be using wonderful buttermilk. Okay, now we're going to make the batter. So we need 2 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour. And to accurately measure, spoon the flour into your measuring cup. And then you can take the end of your spoon like this and just go like this, and that's an accurate measurement. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 'Of course, this is King Arthur flour, which is, in my opinion, the best flour. You can't get any better than King Arthur. It's consistently good all the time. Okay, and here you go. That goes in like that. And now we need a tablespoon of baking powder. See this right here? That's for leveling off. It's for leveling it off. If you didn't already know that. There we go. Tablespoon. And we need 2 eggs. 1. 2. Normally this would be a half a teaspoon of salt, but since we're going Asian here with this, we're putting a half a teaspoon of soy sauce instead. And again, because it's Asian, we're going to put a 1/4 of a teaspoon of sesame oil. This is 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And add that. It's my Danish whisk. I love this Danish whisk. It does a great job. Okay, and the reason why I'm mixing this in a little bit now instead of later is because I don't want scrambled eggs when I'm putting hot butter. Here we go. Put the rest of the butter. Now we're not going to have scrambled eggs. I'm going to add 3 chilies. 1, 2, 3. If you don't like chili or don't like things hot, absolutely omit this. Distribute them out around a little bit. Okay, and now we need a 1 3/4 of buttermilk. together. Okay, this is a thick batter, and what you really want to do, we're going to let this sit for a while so that the flour can fully absorb all the liquid. And to make it so that it's fully flavored, we're adding these scallions now. Oops. Okay. Okay, we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes or so, and then we will make the waffles. Okay, we preheated the waffle iron to level 3, and our mix is ready, and we're going to put like this. I'm going to put 2 and put the top on. And we're going to wait until the light goes off, and then our waffle will be done. Okay, and now as you can see, the light is green. So let's lift this up and see what happened. Oh, those are beautiful. Okay, we're going to take one off. We're going to take one off and take this one off. Put it on the plate. Close it up. And while we're waiting for that, we'll taste this. See how this is. They're fluffy inside, oniony inside. Crispy on the outside. Just a little bit spicy. These are going to absolutely go beautifully with our Hoisin pork roast. All right. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on The Good Plate. Yum, yum.